Here's how to update all your apps on Android at once. Now, if you have a bunch of different apps and you want to make sure you're getting the latest features, I'll show you how to update all of them. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we'll do is navigate into the Play Store. So tap on Play Store, or if you don't see it, just search for Play Store. Now, on your Play Store, this is, of course, where you can download various new apps, but you can also update apps just by tapping on the profile at the top right. And now you'll be able to see under Google account, it says Manage Apps and Device. So just tap on that. Now, what this will automatically do is under No Harmful Apps, it says Updates Available to Updates Pending. It will automatically search to see if you have updates available. Now, you can tap on it, and it will give you the two apps, in my case, that have updates available. I can either tap next to each individual one update, or I can tap at the top right to update all of them at the same time. Keep in mind, you do need, if I tap update all, you do need good internet connection because of course it's going to download those updates and install them to your phone. And when you're good to go, it says you're all set. All your apps have been updated. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below. Leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.